Useful sentences for daily conversation. I fold my arms. I fold my arms. I stomp my feet. I stomp my feet. I tap my feet. I tap my feet. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I cross my legs. I cross my legs. I shrug my shoulders. I shrug my shoulders. I snap my fingers. I snap my fingers. I scratch my head. I scratch my head. I rub my eyes. I rub my eyes. I bend down to tie my shoelaces. I bend down to tie my shoelaces. I carry the groceries in my hands. I carry the groceries in my hands. I kicked the ball into the goal. I kicked the ball into the goal. I clapped enthusiastically. I clapped enthusiastically. I whistled my favorite tune. I whistled my favorite tune. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.